Three companies control 71% of the global rental market. Those companies are Airbnb, Booking.com, and VRBO. But there's a problem. They serve everyone, which means they serve no one perfectly. Pet owners can't find truly pet-friendly stays. Remote workers struggle to filter for home offices. Luxury travelers wade through budget listings. That's the gap specialized platforms are filling. They're winning by going narrow in a market worth $195 billion today, projected to hit $397 billion by 2032. The niches are endless, and 2026 is the year to enter. Take Altovita. Founded in 2018, they went all in on corporate travelers, building a global corporate accommodation platform instead of chasing vacation tourists. By 2022, they'd raised $9.5 million in Series A funding, hit roughly 4 to 5 times year-over-year growth, and signed clients like Google, Hewlett-Packard Enterprise, and US government agencies. They weren't trying to be the next Airbnb. They went narrow, solved one high-value problem, and won their own lane. Now, if you are someone who is thinking about building a specialized rental platform in 2026, then you've come to the right video. Maybe it's pet-friendly stays. Maybe it's remote worker housing. Maybe it's luxury eco-retreats. In this video, we'll show you how a specialized rental marketplace actually works. You will get to know what guests see, what hosts control, what you manage behind the scenes, how AI lets small teams compete with giants, and what it costs to build. So what does a specialized rental marketplace actually look like? Let's show you. Let's take a walkthrough of an AI-powered rental marketplace app designed to help travelers discover and book stays effortlessly. When the app opens, users land on the home screen, clearly marked as powered by AI. The app immediately begins recommending places to stay based on user behavior, travel patterns, and preferences. Locations such as beaches, mountains, cities, and countryside stays are highlighted, all personalized using AI insights. Along with this, the app also suggests nearby stays, making it easier to find accommodation close to the user's current or planned location. As users scroll, they can explore properties by category, or tap on top-rated and nearby options. This takes them to the Explore section, where listings are displayed location-wise and can be filtered further. These recommendations are driven by the user's travel history and lifestyle patterns, which means the options shown may span across different countries and regions based on past behavior. When a user selects a property, for example an overwater bungalow in the Maldives, they're taken to the Property Details page. Here they can explore photos, amenities, descriptions, and guest reviews, giving them a complete view of what the stay offers before making a decision. Once ready, the user can proceed with the reservation. The booking flow is simple and intuitive. Users enter basic details such as name, email address, and phone number, then move on to payment. The app supports multiple payment options, including credit cards, debit cards, PayPal, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. After agreeing to the terms and confirming payment, the booking is successfully completed. Users can view all their reservations in one place, including past stays and upcoming trips. There's also a wishlist feature, where users can save properties that are currently unavailable or in high demand, making it easy to book them later. The app also includes a messaging section, where users can communicate directly with hosts and receive assistance from the built-in AI assistant. The AI helps answer questions, provide recommendations, and assist with trip planning. Finally, the Profile section allows users to manage their personal information and account settings. This includes trip history, reviews, saved payment methods, security settings, help and support, privacy policies, and terms and conditions. Users can also securely log out from this section. With that, we come to the end of the AI-powered rental marketplace app walkthrough, a smart, personalized platform that makes discovering, booking, and managing stays seamless and intuitive. Let's now take a walkthrough of the admin panel for the AI-powered rental marketplace, the control center that manages listings, users, transactions, and platform intelligence. Once you log into the admin panel, you're greeted with a powerful dashboard. At the top, you can adjust the reporting range to view data from the last 7 days, 30 days, or a longer period. And you can also export reports when needed. The dashboard gives you a real-time snapshot of the platform, including total listings, active rentals, pending approvals, monthly earnings, open disputes, and AI-driven insights. Visual graphs make it easy to understand performance at a glance. Revenue trends and user growth are displayed through clear line and bar charts. Below that, quick action tools allow administrators to take immediate steps, while the recent activity feed highlights what's happening across the platform. You can also see top-performing locations and region-wise insights, all powered by AI. Moving on to listings management, this section gives you full visibility into all properties on the platform. Administrators can add new listings, review existing ones, and track their status, whether active, pending, or suspended. Listings can be filtered by property type, such as apartments, houses, studios, or commercial spaces. Each listing includes detailed information and can be reviewed, updated, or exported directly from this panel. Next is user management, where all user data is centralized. This section displays total users, active hosts, active renters, and verified accounts. Administrators can view individual user profiles, manage entries, and assess trust scores generated by the platform. Higher trust scores indicate stronger reliability, helping the platform maintain a safe and trustworthy marketplace for both hosts and guests. The Transactions and Payments section provides complete financial oversight. Here, you can track total revenue, pending payouts, completed payments, and refund requests. Graphs show monthly revenue distribution and preferred payment methods. AI-powered fraud detection continuously monitors transactions, flagging any suspicious activity. A detailed transaction log allows administrators to review every payment made on the platform. The AI Insights section reveals how intelligence powers the platform behind the scenes. Administrators can view active AI models, prediction accuracy, and detected anomalies. Booking forecasts help anticipate demand during peak and off-peak seasons across different regions. Machine learning systems continuously optimize pricing, availability, and platform performance to improve overall efficiency. Next is support and disputes, where customer issues are managed. This section shows open, in progress, and resolved tickets, along with average response times. Administrators can open individual tickets to review disputes, communicate with users, and ensure timely resolution. Finally, the Settings and Configuration section allows full control over platform operations. Administrators can manage general settings, define fees and commissions for hosts and renters, and configure booking and cancellation charges. Role-based permissions determine access levels for admins, super admins, support managers, and finance managers. Integrations with services like Stripe, PayPal, Google Maps, Twilio, SendGrid, and AWS Connect can be managed directly from this panel. Security settings and audit logs ensure the platform remains protected and compliant at all times. With that, we come to the end of the admin panel walkthrough, a centralized AI-driven system designed to keep the rental marketplace secure, scalable, and intelligently managed. Rental marketplace landscape in 2026. Now that we have seen the rental marketplace app, let's talk about how 2026 is different from 5 years ago. For 2 big reasons. First, AI has leveled the playing field. What required a 50-person engineering team in 2020 now takes 3 developers. AI-powered verification, dynamic pricing, and automated guest support are accessible. Small teams can finally compete with the giants. Second, niche demand became permanent. Remote work is not a trend. 16% of US companies are now fully remote. That's 12.7 million workers needing monthly housing with home offices. Pet-friendly travel bookings are up 50% since 2020. Luxury ecotourism grew into a $180 billion sector. The platforms launching in 2026 won't compete with Airbnb. They'll own niches Airbnb can't serve deeply. By the end of 2026, the best niches will be claimed. That makes right now the perfect time to start. So here's how to build yours. At Code Brew Labs, we've helped over 100 founders build AI-powered products. For specialized rental platforms, we design, develop, and deploy working marketplaces within 45 days. If you're serious about turning your rental marketplace idea into a real business, share your contact details with us using the link in the description to schedule a free strategy session. Someone from our team will reach out within 24 to 48 hours for a no-pressure strategy session. We'll help you validate your niche, map out a realistic MVP, and give you a clear roadmap to launch. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe to our channel for more insights on building real-world AI products.